There's first aspect is resilience. So the trend goes to like having multiple orbits, multiple frequency bands, and not just buying from one vendor. So you will buy your user end devices from not just one vendor. You will not just use one satellite network to get your internet connection. You'll have multiple. And the receivers will very likely in the future support multiple, so with standardization like 5G NTN, for example. For the user segment, we have OSNMA, which is now becoming operational. So this will be an authentication service for GNSS signals. So basically, they send you on a separate channel a fingerprint for GNSS signals, so you cannot be spoofed. Or you can at least detect when someone tries to spoof you, because it's not matching the fingerprint. And for the space segment, like I said earlier, so you can, of course, someone trying to shoot a rocket at you or try to grab your satellite, so they are adding more maneuverability to the systems. Same goes for electronic warfare, so they try to be more resilient to jamming attacks, also using like laser communications, which is a lot more directed and a lot more difficult to intercept or to attack, and active sensor protection systems. What we see is an increased use of cloud services, also like the big providers like Microsoft and also Amazon. They have their own ground station network, which you can access actually as like an AWS ground station service. So they have like sites around the world where you can subscribe to. This is like this ground station as a service concept. Another thing which was previously burned into the spacecraft is the software. Now with more powerful onboard computers, it actually becomes more configurable, and now often actually users can run sandboxed applications on spacecrafts directly. So this is used, for example, for edge processing. So if you take an image of the surface of Earth and you have cloud coverage above 80%, you might want to discard it. So there is like image processing going on board and all these custom applications. Which again introduces some risk, because now you have suddenly software from someone else running on a spacecraft. And then we have the quantum and crypto things, which are slowly coming. So especially for the governmental side of things, they are very interested in post-quantum, quantum cryptography, crypto agility, so the buzzwords. But this is far from reality. So this is in the very early stages.